Okay, Dodge fans, Gause Garage here. Auburn auction 2023. Sitting before you is a 1965 Dodge A990 426 Cross Ram Hemi from the factory. A factory race car in a factory white color with the tan/gold interior. That's got A100 seats. Those are the lightweight seats they used in the race cars. Lexan glass everywhere. And take a look at that shift pattern on there. Reverse shift pattern only from the factory. And plus there was all kinds of special equipment on the engine. Magnesium intake and all kinds of cool racing go fast stuff. And you see you got no reverse lights. There's a metal blank. No reverse lights. Special shift pattern. Lexan glass. These cars were special. Very special indeed. Right from the factory. Ready to go racing. And there you have it, Dodge race car fans. 1965 Dodge A990. This is Gause Garage, Auburn auction 2023. Thank you very much.